In this video, I am going to tell you how to find which fraction is greater than the other fraction. Let's start the problem. We want to find out whether 5 over 6 or 7 over 8, which fraction is greater than the other fraction, 5 over 6 or 7 over 8. So let's start with 5 divided by 6. We multiply this fraction with 8 over 8. Okay, so if we multiply 5 over 6 with 8 over 8, it will come 5 multiplied by 8 is 40, divided by 6 multiplied by 8, 48. Okay, now let's come to 7 over 8. Now we will multiply 7 over 8 with 6 over 6. Now if we multiply 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42, divided by 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. The purpose of multiplying 8 over 8 with 5 over 6 and 6 over 6 with 7 over 8 is to make the fraction equal. As you can see here that 48 is equal to 48. So from this comparison we can see that 42 is greater than the 40, so we can safely say that 7 over 8 is greater than 5 over 6. Now let's try another example. Which is example number 2. 3 over 4 or 4 over 5. As you can see that the main theme is to make denominators equal by multiplying the suitable numbers. So let's first try with 3 over 4 multiply by 5 over 5. Now let's simplify 3 multiplied by 5, 15, divided by 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Now let's move to 4 over 5. Four over 5 multiply by 4 over 4. Now Let's get simplified. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So as you can see here that we have made the denominators equal by multiplying the suitable numbers, and after making them equal we get 15 over 20 and 16 over 20, and as you can see that the 16 over 20 is greater than the 15 over 20. So our answer here is 4 over 5 is greater than 3 over 4. Okay. Now let's write a practice question for you. Which is 2 over 3 or 3 by 2. You need to find out which one is the greater, 2 over 3 or 3 by 2, and the method will remain the same. You need to make the denominators equal to each other, then you can easily decide which number is greater. Let me give you another practice question. Solve 5 over 6 or 6 by 7. So these are the two practice questions for you. 2 over 3 is greater or 3 over 2 is greater. And the second question is 5 over 6 is greater or 6 over 7 is greater. Write your answer in the comment section.